Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you already know from the title and the thumbnail of this video, we have a Chanel unboxing today. Today is such a gloomy and rainy day in Geneva, and you know, just to make it a little bit brighter, I have decided to film this unboxing, finally cheer myself up with my new bag, because I bought it about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and it's been sitting in the box in this bag for all of that time because I really wanted this video to be a true unboxing, and I wanted to open this bag with you guys so you can enjoy the whole process as well, because I love watching unboxing videos. They're my favorite, so I am very excited. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings, so if you're interested in any of these topics, make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below, and also turn on the bell to be notified every time I post something new. And you can also follow me on Instagram, it's at BonjourAika. So without any further ado, let's begin. Here is the big bag, and I finally purchased the bag that I've been waiting for such a long time. I think I ordered it about 2.5 months ago, and it just arrived. Well, it arrived about 2 weeks ago, 10 days ago, can't remember, but it took a very long time to receive this bag. And you know what, there is something special about this bag, so I will do an unboxing first and then I'll talk about that later. So here is the beautiful box with all the wrapping, with the camellia. It's so pretty. I always try to be as careful as possible unboxing these pieces, because sometimes I also like to film separate unboxings for my Instagram, but this time I don't really care because it's been such a long time and I have zero patience. Here's the box. Let's open it. And so here is the beautiful wrapping inside, another beautiful camellia. I cannot wait. This bag was on my mind for such a long time, and I've been waiting for this moment to film an unboxing video with you guys and to finally start enjoying this bag. I can see it already. Oh my god, are you guys ready? Can you see it a little bit? Oh wow. We have the dust bag. As you can see, it's not a classic bag dust bag, it's a black one. Oh my god, she is so adorable. Ta-da! So here's the bag. Let me remove the paper from it. There is also a care booklet inside of the box, but we don't care about it. Wow. Wow, like now I can see its true colors. In store it looked completely different, but it is so gorgeous. Here in my apartment I have two lights on both sides and the shine is real. It is so beautiful. So guys, this is my new baby. It's my new mini rectangular flap with a top handle. This is such a popular bag right now, the one you cannot find anywhere. It's completely sold out everywhere. I was trying to locate another one for my mom, but it was impossible to get it. And this is a seasonal piece, so it's not going to be a part of the permanent collection. With this top handle, it's just something seasonal, and maybe they will be releasing more colors in the future. We never know with Chanel, but for now it's just for this season only. So the thing I wanted to tell you before I unboxed it is that this bag is in lambskin, and when you go on the website they only show I think 3-4 colors. So they have silver, gold, white, beige, and also black, so 5 colors, but they're all in caviar leather. And I knew I didn't want a caviar bag. I don't have any caviar bags in my Chanel collection, and that's because I don't really like it. It doesn't feel as luxurious, it's not as smooth, and I know it's more practical and durable long term, but I would rather take better care of my bag but have it in lambskin instead of going for caviar, just because it's easier in use and it's more like scratch and dirt resistant, let's say. But this is lambskin, and this is something I haven't seen anywhere. I saw so many unboxings of this bag on YouTube, on Instagram, but I feel like nobody has it. Maybe it's a newer style and that's why it took so long for it to arrive, because I've already seen the beige one, the black one, silver. I saw all of these colors in store and I rejected them because I wanted this one in lambskin, and this color is supposed to be the iridescent color, and yes, of course it does have some shine to it, but I cannot call it an iridescent bag. To me, it's more of a pearly bag with this pinkish undertone. And I'm gonna film some mod shots and I will put them here on the screen so you can take a closer look and see the color better. It comes with gold hardware, little cute top handle. This bag is adorable. It has this Mona Lisa pocket at the back as always. Then when we open the flap, by the way, this is aged gold hardware, so it's not just gold hardware, and I was hoping this would be in champagne gold hardware because it's my favorite, but this aged gold is pretty cool looking as well. When we open the flap, this is what it looks like, pretty simple. We have more paper, and this is a pretty long strap, but I'm not sure if it's as long as on the regular mini without top handle. And the main difference is that this strap is a lot thinner. The chain and the leather inside is a lot thinner than on the regular mini bag. So that's different. One con is that you cannot remove this shoulder strap, but remember on the very first Chanel trendy bag you also couldn't remove the shoulder strap, and now they switched it to a different one, the one you can actually remove. So maybe sometime in the future when they release more colors they will make the strap detachable from the bag. We'll see, you never know. And then when we open the bag, it is so beautiful inside. This is a true iridescent color, pinkish iridescent, and it's really pretty. And I wish the whole bag was of this color because it's a little bit brighter than the bag itself. This color to me looks whitish, whereas the interior is a true iridescent color. Then there is a pocket over here. I never really use pockets inside bags. Then there is another pocket over here, the zip pocket, and the authenticity card is right here, and this is series 31. So there you go. And wow, I couldn't be happier with this bag. At first I felt disappointed with the color a little bit because it's not really what we expected. It's not the iridescent color like it said in the system, but you know, I waited for such a long time and I still really love this bag. And now unboxing it at home, it's still a very beautiful color, and with my lights on I can see the true undertones of this bag, and it is very pearly and it's just so cute and so pretty. But of course with a lighter bag in lambskin it's pretty dangerous, so I'll try to be as careful as possible with this bag. It can get color transfer at the back over here, so I will keep that in mind. I'll try to avoid wearing it with jeans or black clothes, so I'll try to wear it with my silk dresses, maybe something lighter. The price of the bag was 3,990 Swiss francs. And the classic one without this top handle is 3,680, so the price difference is 310. And by the way, my essay told me that Chanel had another price increase at the beginning of April, and the price increase wasn't that big as last year in May, but it still happened, and it was on their shoes. So for example, I was trying this pair of ballerinas. They were originally 710, but after the price increase they're now 730. It's not a big difference, but still it's 20 francs. And then the classic flaps Chanel 19 bag, they were also increased in price, but again it wasn't that much. It was probably around 100-200 Swiss francs. I just wanted to let you guys know that Chanel had another price increase. I'm not sure if this bag had a price increase. I'm pretty sure it didn't because I just checked their website this morning, so this bag wasn't affected. So thank goodness, because I didn't want to overpay since I was waiting for such a long time for this bag. But it is so adorable. I cannot believe it is mine, and I cannot believe I finally received it. It's been such a long time, and hopefully I'll get a lot of use out of it. I'll enjoy using this bag because, you know, I have a mini Chanel, a square mini Chanel, and I love that little bag to death. I have it in black color, and I think it's a little bit easier to use since it's black, but it's also lambskin, so still pretty delicate. I'm trying to be as careful as possible, but one thing I don't have to worry about is the type of clothes I use with this bag, I wear with this bag. But with this bag, yes, I do have to keep that in mind and think about my outfit if I want to use this bag, for example. But I think it's gonna be okay. As for the size, this bag can fit a lot of things inside. My Chanel mini square can fit a lot of things for its size, whereas this one even bigger. And the dimensions of this bag are 20 centimeters by 13 by 8, I think. I'm not sure, but I will put it on the screen so you can see. So it's a pretty good sized bag. It doesn't have a double flap, so there is a lot more storage inside. And I wish I could show you what I can fit inside, but I didn't bring anything. I didn't think about it, but I'm pretty sure you guys, if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you know what you can fit. I'm pretty sure I can fit my phone, my card holder, or even a small wallet inside. All of my essentials such as hand sanitizer, my mask, my lipstick, keys, like all of those things can fit inside. Even a small, like a little tiny hairbrush can fit, your compact can fit, so it can hold a good amount of things inside. And now I'm going to show you some mod shots of how this bag looks on me. So guys, here is the bag on me. It is so perfect. I love the length of the strap. It is not too long but not too short, and for the reference, I'm 168 centimeters. I'm wearing this beige jacket on top because it is longer, so the bag doesn't actually touch my jeans. I want to avoid color transfer at all costs, and I think I will spray something to protect it a little bit later. I need to first see if I have the spray I need. And as I said before, it is not as shiny as we expected it to be. My essay and I, we thought it would be a true iridescent color, very beautiful, but it looks white to me, honestly, especially looking in the mirror right now. Not up close, it does look white, but it still has that undertone. Anyway, I'm not mad about it. It's still beautiful, and I'm glad that I waited and got it in lambskin instead of caviar. That's just my personal preference. If you love caviar, good for you guys. I have nothing against it, but it's just not my favorite from Chanel. And I can also wear it on one shoulder. So here it is. I usually never wear my bags like this. I just find it uncomfortable, and they keep like falling off all the time off my shoulder. And this way it is a lot longer than before, so I'm not sure if I like it this long. I don't know. What do you think? And I can also hold it like this in my hand, and it's still super gorgeous. Oh, it's so cute. I also want to put a twilly or some little scarf on this handle to protect it, since I think I'll be carrying it like this a lot. It's a new feature in a mini bag from Chanel, so I really want to enjoy it. So I really need to find a perfect little scarf. Anyway, guys, what do you think about this little cutie? I think it is the cutest bag in my entire collection, and I'm just so happy it is finally mine and I finally unboxed it so I can put it on a shelf and just enjoy looking at it every day as well as wearing. But right now the weather is so bad in here. It rains every day pretty much, so I don't want to risk it and I don't want to use this bag. I'll wait until sunny days and I will for sure post a lot of pictures with it, maybe reels with this bag on my Instagram, so follow me there as well if you aren't already. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.